Hello everyone, my name is Aua, and I made this rail track, and there are no power rails. Yep, no power rails here. As you might know, without power rails, minecarts go really slow. Too slow. That is not acceptable. But how can I fix this? Well, fortunately, I have invented a method of going faster with minecart without power rails. Ooh, yes! Just as simple as this. Place down a block, rail, and other rail in this formation. Then place both on the bottom of this rail, like this. Then minecart on top of here, and then push the minecart inside the boat and go in the minecart. And as you can see, I'm now inside a minecart, inside a boat on the rail. Wow. And then you press the S key in your keyboard or whatever control you have for the moving backwards. In any case, you move backwards now. And look what happens. I move forwards. I'm pressing the S key right now. And look how fast this is. Of course, when you press the W button, this goes backwards. So it's like inverted. And look how fast this is. No power rails. And I'm not even going downhill. This is really easy. No need for power rails anymore. Also, when I get out of it, the minecart goes on really fast without the player. It just keeps going. It keeps going. It doesn't stop. At least for a while. Yes, it stops. Of course. Yeah, it's beginning to slow down. But as you can see, it goes really great distance after you get out of it.